Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Rosetta Stone step by step clearly. To register for Rosetta Stone, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Rosetta Stone's official website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on the button to proceed to the registration page. You will be presented with options for subscription plans. Choose the plan that best suits your language learning needs. After selecting a plan, locate the Create Account section. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password following the website's guidelines. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided space. Proceed to fill out any additional required personal information. This may include your first name, last name, and date of birth. Once all fields are completed, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box indicating your consent. Now, click on the button to finalize your account registration. You may receive a confirmation email shortly thereafter. Open the email and click the verification link provided. After verification, return to the Rosetta Stone website. Log in using your email address and the password you created. You can now start exploring the platform and its language offerings. Enjoy your language learning journey with Rosetta Stone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.